Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account setting. And in this video, I will show you on how to store website tracking and apps on your Gmail or on your Google account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. Then scroll down right here until you get to Google. Go ahead and click on Google. Then proceed with your Google account. Click on your Google account. Then scroll down right here. Click on security and sign in. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to your connection to third-party apps and service. Go ahead and click on see all connections. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to review and remove any connection from your Google account right here. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use this particular app as an example. So I'm going to click on it. Then scroll down right here and review everything. What you want to do next is to go ahead and make sure you click on delete all connection you have with Pixabay. Click on it and this is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on confirm right here. Once you hit on confirm, you are no longer connected to the Pixabay. You can connect to Pixabay again at any point in time. It's that simple. Go ahead and click on close this pop-up. By the time you come back to your track of your connection with third-party app on your Google account, the app will no longer be here. You can review and remove as many as possible apps right here that are having connection to your Google account in order to protect and secure your Google account. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how to secure your Google account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.